What's up, cooks? It's Prime Day. So a lot of people have asked me, what did I get for Prime Day? And you know I got something, right? I was on there like on and off during the day. And at first I wasn't going to get anything. But you see those 2 boxes? Yeah, I did buy something. I also have a special gift from a really good friend and fellow cook, my friend Cooking with Cash. He sent me this personal gift, so we're going to open it up and see what it is. So join me. Let's see what I got for Prime Day. So along the way, I can't remember how long ago it was, I met a young man named Cash. And Cash is very passionate about cooking and kitchen gadgets. And I think we sort of met through our mutual love of stand mixers, right? And Cash has, he's an amazing cook. And I really think he has an amazing future ahead of him. So he sent me this gift. It was my birthday a little bit ago, and it's for my birthday. And I just want to thank you, Cash. I'm really excited about opening this and seeing what it is. I love like really personal gifts. So that might be what we have here. A gift from one cook to another. If you want to check Cash's channel out, he's Cooking with Cash. I'll put a link down to his channel. He's got quite a few videos up, and you can really see the passion that he has for cooking, and he does some really fun stuff over on his channel. So let's take a look at what we have. I can almost smell, it smells like bread dough, right? It smells like bread dough. Ooh, uh-oh. I think it's leaking a little bit. He's got a card in here. Oops. May have leaked just a little bit. So, he wrote me a card. Oh, thank you, Cash. It is a jar of his sourdough starter. It leaked a little bit, so maybe I can put it into another jar or put another lid on it. Ooh, some starter. Awesome. I haven't made sourdough yet, so we're going to make some sourdough, and it's going to be Cash's sourdough, right? Awesome. We have some starter. So I'm going to feed this. I might have to put it in another container because it leaked a little bit through the mail, but awesome. Thank you. Thank you. We're going to make our first sourdough bread. So for Prime Day, the first day I didn't buy anything. The second day, some USA Pan stuff came on Prime Day deal. And I know I need some new sheet pans to for my bun rack that the Famag sits on. So I wanted to get some for that. So for some reason I had a credit back on my account. So when I bought these things, I only spent like $20 or so. Oh, so these are, I got 2 9-inch cake pans, and these were like $9 or something. When they came on that, I was like, I gotta get these, right? Because cake pans, you can use them for basically everything. They're just a baking pan. So you can bake chicken in them, you can bake a cake, you can do whatever in them because it's just a baking pan, right? So you can make everything that you would make in like a casserole, you can do it in one of these baking pans.
Does that have any kind of silicone nonstick in it?
Yeah, these have, it's aluminized steel, nonstick silicone coating, PTFE and PFOA free, and they're made in the USA. We went to their factory.
So don't scrub them.
Yeah, don't scrub them. We went to their factory. I'll put a link up here to our fun trip when we went to their factory outlet store. Boy, did I come home with all kinds of stuff, right? So Eric's looking at me like, more bakeware, right?
Well, that wasn't on the list of things.
Okay, so this really is the star of the show. So the Mag, I always pronounce it wrong, mixer. It's our spiral Italian mixer. I have it on a bun rack. I'm going to go roll it in here in a minute because I wanted it counter height, but the bun rack has like sheet pan shelves in it. And I initially ordered some that were like raw aluminum, and I really don't want those because I want to be able to just like pop these in the dishwasher. And I do that all the time with my with my USA pan, so not sure if it's legal to do that, but I do it. So these came on sale. Oh my God. These were $20
each. Is that a deal?
Yeah, that's a deal. Oh, something else in here. I actually need to return this. This is a landing pad for Eric's drone. And he ordered one the same time I did, so I need to return that one. He ordered a fancy one. So these are half sheet pans, USA pan. These are amazing. I'll put links to these down in the description. These pans are amazing. I wanted these instead of the raw aluminum because these stay pretty looking. And I want my cart to stay pretty looking. Plus, anytime I could use these, right? These look kind of deep compared to some of the other ones I've used. Half sheet pans. They look a little deeper. Ugh, this one's got silicone on it on the label. 2. So some reason on my account I had a credit back of like $40 or something. I don't know, $60, something like that. So when I went to buy these, it turned out to be like $21 for all these plus the pans. That's a good deal. Let me go grab the Mag. So here is our sheet pan. Stick it to me. And I'm just going to put them here. Here's the Mag. You can't really see this very well, but this just slides in here and becomes like a shelf on here. So you can put your flowers, all kinds of fun stuff on it. So that's what I got these for. From Prime Day, we have these sheet pans, and I can use these just for sheet pans, right? But I'm mainly going to use them in this thing for the Mag. Awesome. So cooks, Prime Day really hooked me up, and Cash really hooked me up. I can't wait to just try using that starter and making some sourdough bread. So cooks, thanks for joining me. Hang around for Wednesday because we have a special announcement on Wednesday I think you'll find quite interesting. If you like this video and you want to join us on our journey to become better cooks, hit that bell, hit the subscribe button below and the bell so you'll get notified of our uploads. You can catch me on social media. All the links will be down below in the description. I hope you had really fun on Prime Day. You got some great deals, and I hope you were able to score some of these deals on the USA pans. Have a great one.